Okay, good morning, second PC students. Today, let us go to the next chapter, application of integration. Chapter, application of integration. Application of derivatives means apply the integration, use of integration. Okay, today let us go to the next chapter, application of integrals. Application of integration means integrals application. Okay, use of integration by using the method of integration method. Okay. So first, simple area under simple curves. The application of integration is nothing but area by using the integrals, definite integrals. Find out the area by using the definite integrations. So the area bounded by the curve y is equal to f of x and x-axis. Y is equal, this is the curve, y is equal to f of x and x-axis and the ordinates x is equal to a. This is the parallel to y-axis. The equation of a line parallel to y-axis is x is equal to x1. The equation of a straight line parallel to x-axis is y is equal to y1. So parallel to y-axis means x is equal to x1. So this is the distance is a. So the equal x is equal to a. The distance a. So next one, x is equal to b. Definite integration means what? Over the limits a to b. So this is the small value. This is for example 0 to 1. This is 0 to 504. This is length. This is highest value. B is bigger than the a. So integral a to b. What is the area? Plane curve. Okay, this type of curves. Any to the not. So integral a to b y dx. What is y? Curve. Given curve f of x. So integral a to b, x is equal to a. The function is in terms of x. So limits also x limits and f of x by using the definite integrals. What is the formula? Integral a to b. This is the formula. Integral a to b f of x dx is equal to capital F of x over the integral 0 to a, that is equal to f of b minus f of a. Same procedure, definite integration, simple integration, very easy. But the curve, first draw the figure is important. By the total integration a to b and depending on the given curve. First we have to draw curve. Okay, so this is the on x-axis. Next, second one is the second type of curve. The area A of the region bounded by the curve x is equal to gy, y-axis, and the line y is equal to c and y is equal to d given by area A is equal to. This is y, the curve into variable y. So variable y and y-axis. So y is equal to the parallel, the equation of a line, straight line parallel to x-axis means y is equal to y1. This is y is equal to c, this is y is equal to d. Integral c to d g of y dy. On the x-axis means the area bounded by the curve and x-axis means limits a to b f of x dx with respect to x. The area of the curve bounded by the curve and y-axis means this with respect to dy. The function is also in the variable y. The limits also y limits. Okay, this is okay. This is the Next x-axis, y-axis. Next this is the positive x-axis, this is next negative x-axis, negative y-axis. So different curves. Okay, so listen carefully. Okay, next one, third one. The area bounded by the curve y is equal to f of x, x-axis, and ordinates x is equal to a, x is equal to b, come out to be negative. Come out to be negative. Why negative? This is the downside. Downside means the negative y-axis. Downside. So downside means negative. So area is always areas, length, perimeter. So these all are always positive. So the areas should not become negative. So in negative will come, apply the modulus. The area value same but negative value. This is plus 2, this is minus 2. The sign is different. The sign should not become, because every area, length, perimeters, volumes, surface areas are always positives. So using modulus. This downside. So A to B. So fourth one. The area of curve, some portion, the area of the curve, some portion is the above the x-axis, some portion above the x-axis, and some portion below the x-axis. Some portion is above the x-axis, some portion below the x-axis. So below the x-axis means negative area. So above the x-axis means greater than. This is A1, this is A2. So below the x-axis negative area, apply the modulus. Okay, total area we want total area, this area plus this area. So this is negative means, for example, this is minus 2, this is plus 3, minus 2 plus 3 is equal to 1. Not correct. This area 2 plus this area 3, totally 5 area. So this is minus. Minus means what? Apply the modulus. Apply the modulus. So the cut to the starting the area starting from A. The limit is A to C. This is the below x-axis negatives. So A to C f of x dx plus above the x-axis area starting from C to B. C to B. This is the last one, B. So integration is difference. See here, observe here. So A to C is the below the x-axis, limits change. Okay, limits will be changed because down below the x-axis up to A to C, above the x-axis C to B. C to B upstairs, up means positive. Don't use modulus. This is below x-axis means negative area. Negative area will be used modulus. What is the difference between 1, 2, 3 and 4, or first for example third, fourth? This is no cutting area, intersecting area. Up to plane, this is the plane, area is plane. The starting area is A, ending B. So this is limits does not change. That limits convert into sum of the two limits. Okay, so here this is the area, two types of area, below, above. What is below? A to C. So first limit to A to C. Next C to B up. Okay, this is above. Above means C to B above, A to C below. So limits can be changed. Compulsory must be changed. Below which one is starting, ending. Above starting, ending. This is the important one. Okay, na? So this is the area. So very simple. First problem we have to give the problem. So first of all the curve. Observe the curve. This is which type of curve, and draw the graph. Draw the graph limits when the limits starting from which value? For example, A. What is the ending? B. The starting to ending totally above the x-axis or below the x-axis? Totally above or below? Above means the limits starting A, the ending B, A to B, f of x dx. Below, the starting A and ending B means modulus, because below means negative. So this is the limits, the graph, the starting A to C below, C to B above. That's only not x-axis, this type also. This is the negative x-axis. Negative x-axis. This is positive x-axis. So this is plus minus. A to C or A to C, C to B. Only x-axis or y-axis, anyone. So this is limits. Area is up to, there is no any intersecting above and below. There is no cut the value. The plane area starting to ending same area. There is no up down, this type of area. Plane area. This is not a plane area. Some portion is the below the x-axis, some portion is the above the x-axis. Below the x-axis which start to ending. This is the ending to starting to ending. This is the limits, lower limit to upper limit to. This is the above area starting with C and ending with B. So the limits is C to B. Okay, this under integrate is very careful. The area is below x-axis or above x-axis, below y-axis or above y-axis. So the total negative or positive, this is the very important one. Okay, negative means you have to apply modulus. Mod of negative equal to positive. Okay, now this one. Next, some fixed graphs. What is some parabola, hyperbola, ellipse? In first year, conic section, circle, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. Okay, this is some fixed one. First one, for example, some notations. First, y square is equal to, first one, parabolas. First one, parabolas. Parabolas. These parabolas are totally 9 types. First one, y square is equal to 4ax. Y square is equal to 4ax. That is the parabola. This is the shape of parabola. This one. Like not only y square is 4ax. So y square is equal to x. Y square is equal to x by 2. Y square is important. Y square x important. Constant 4a అనేది so many different types. 4a is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. Y square is equal to 4x and so on. These are all same parabola. Y square is equal to this one. Next, second one is y square is equal to minus 4ax. Y square is equal to 4x. You have to draw directly we can draw direct y square is equal to some minus 2x minus 3x or y square is equal to x y square 4x. This type of curves are given, so directly you can draw the diagram, the same diagram. Okay, diagram structure important. So this is opposite, so this is the positive x-axis. So okay, this is positive x-axis. Y square is equal to minus means, so this is curve will be this one. This is y, this is x, 0. This is y square is equal to minus 4x. Some more examples: y square is equal to minus x, y square is equal to minus 4x, and so on. This type of all curves, okay, we can draw the curve, only single curve. Next, third one, x square is equal to 4by or 4ay, anything. X square is equal to 4ay. X square is equal to 4ay means, so this is the up x-axis, y-axis. This is 0. This is the curve. Up down. This is left right. Left right means positive, left means negative. Up means positive, down means negative. This is x-axis parabola. Axis is, these both are x-axis parabola along the x-axis, this is along the y-axis. So this curves same as x square is equal to 4y, x square is equal to y, x square is equal to 2y, etc. These curves all are same curves, can be drawn in the same diagram. Next, fourth one, x square is equal to minus 4ay. This is the downside. This is along the y-axis, So these examples are x square is equal to minus 4y, x square is equal to minus y, x square is equal to minus 2y. These are all examples, same curve. Left to right to up to down. Left to right is y square is equal to x square is equal to means up to down. Okay, this is the parabolas. 4. Next 4. Okay, understand this parabola. First, y square is equal to x. Find the area of the curve y square is equal to x means, first of all you can draw the diagram. Okay, the parabolas are symmetric. Symmetric means, so this part and above the x-axis, below the x-axis, same. The area of this one, E part to same. So symmetrical means same one. For example, total area means, for example, 2 into. So leave it. So this is symmetric. This is also symmetric parabola. Above the x-axis, below the x-axis. So the left side of the x-axis, y-axis, right side of the y-axis. Both areas are same areas. Okay, now same areas. So this is the area. Next one, parabola, another types. This is vertex 0, 0. Vertex 0, 0. Focus A, 0. Okay, in first year conic section, first you will see the first year conic section. All parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, circle, all concepts are there. Okay. Next, parabolas are some other types. This vertex is origin type. Vertex is h comma k. For example, y minus k. This is the fifth one. Y minus k whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h. See, these are same, no difference. So this is x-axis, this is the y-axis, x dash, this is y dash, this is vertex. So this is 0 0, the h comma k. So the vertex and this is h comma k. Okay, next one. So the examples, what is the example? Y minus 4 whole square is equal to 4 into x minus 2, this type, plus also, and so on. Next, sixth one, y minus k whole square is equal to minus 4a into x minus h. This opposite direction, opposite, this one, x-axis, y-axis, this is 0. Okay. Next, seventh one, x minus h, x y, h k, x, next x with h, x h. Okay, h comma k, x comma y, h is same as h, y is same as k. So x minus h whole square is equal to 4a into y minus k. This diagram is called up direction. This is x-axis, y-axis, up direction. Okay. Next, fourth one, eighth one, x minus h whole square is equal to 4a minus 4a into y minus k. This diagram, this is the downside, this is x-axis, y-axis, downside. The parabola, symbols, parabolas. Okay, the first four maximum important, first four important. So this is first, you learn some more. In first year concept also, this type of parabolas not come. Okay, only vertex 0 0, first four parabolas did you come. So this is not important, but we learn, how to learn. So next one, so next parabola, ellipse. Ellipse. So x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So this is the parabola, ellipse. X-axis, x dash, y dash. This is origin. These four parts, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Find the area of the ellipse means 4 into, this is 0, starting 0 and 0 to a, fixed. Integral 0 to a, lower limit to upper limit. And the parabola also 0 to a, focus a comma 0. So ellipse or parabola, what is the limits? 0 to a, 0 to a. So the four parts are symmetrical. Four parts are symmetrical. So find the area of the ellipse means 4 into 0 to a f of x dx as y dx. Only in the first quadrant means 0 to a f of x dx. Only first quadrant means e part. Total ellipse means 4 into integral 0 to a f of x dx. This is one. Next, second one, x square by b square plus y square by a square is equal to 1. So this is a greater than b, this is a less than b. So this is a less than b. This is also reverse, this one. x-axis, y-axis. This is also same, symmetric about. So this is integration is 0 to b or a, that 0 to a, 0 to a, same, because this one 0 to a. Okay, this is also second type of ellipse. Next, third, fourth is not important. So first one. Next, hyperbola. Hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Now, what is the difference between ellipse and hyperbola? X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 means ellipse. X square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to minus means hyperbola. This is the symbol of this hyperbola. ಟಚ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. x-axis. This is the focus, foci. Okay. Next, this is the hyperbola. Next, circle. Next, circle. What is circle? X square plus y square is equal to a square. X square plus y square is equal to a square. This is the circle. Center C, radius R, that A, radius A. Okay, this is center is 0, 0. This is the equation of the circle passing through origin. Equation of a circle passing through origin. Same. Next, x minus h whole square, the first one, the second one. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to a square. This is also center. The center is h comma k, radius a. This is the first one, the second one. What is the difference between first circle and second circle? The first circle is passing through origin. Center is origin. The second circle, center is h comma k. Center is h comma k. So straight line, the circle, parabola, hyperbola, ellipse. Okay. Next, in x square plus y square, example of circle, x square plus y square is equal to 5. X square plus y square is equal to 5. This is also circle equation. If 5 is can be converted into root 5 whole square. Root 5 whole square. So a square. X square plus y square is equal to a square. Okay. Any circle in equation. So what is the hyperbola? X square by 4 minus y square by 9 is equal to 1. Here a square is equal to 4, b square is equal to 9. So this is also x square by 4 plus y square by 9, same. Okay, circle equation, circle. Okay, straight line. Okay, straight line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, next. This is a maximum of type of curves. Okay, the first one only simple curves, simple curves only. First exercise in syllabus, only first exercise is there syllabus. Second exercise deleted syllabus, remove this year. So only first exercise simple curves, single curves, very important, very simple curves. Calculation also same. Okay, so understand, today only introduction. Above the x-axis, the area above the x-axis, below the x-axis. Okay, left side, right side of the y-axis. So some area is below x-axis, some area is above the x-axis. How to take limits? J to C, C to B. Limits important too. This is the limits is very important. That's why first we have to draw the graph first. Total integration, total area of the curve depending on the graph. First we have to draw the graph compulsory depending on the total graph. Okay, so what we have to depend in limits a to c, or a to c, c to b, direct to a to b, limits a to b, or some area below the x-axis, some area above the x-axis. So which type of we have to take the limits? This is the main concept. Okay, this is one. So tomorrow continue the exercise tomorrow. So today all are if okay, all are perfect. If we are perfect, then the problems also very easy. Okay, if you have not perfect means the problems very tough. But one single exercise very important. 5 plus 3, this chapter 5 plus 3, only 2 questions. First exercise 1 question, second exercise 1 question. So this year second exercise removed. So in first exercise, from the first exercise 2 problems will come. 5 marks question, 3 marks question, very easy. So don't miss it. Thank you.